We want to get more analysis on Buffett's $5 billion investment in Bank of America. Joining us by Skype from Nantucket right now is Bloomberg View columnist Bill Cohan. Bill, welcome to InBusiness. I'm jealous that you're out in Nantucket, out at the beach. When you got this news this morning, what was your reaction? Was it a surprise to you?
Well, I had to come right in and get on my Skype, Margaret, so we could talk about this. Is it a surprise? Well, of course it's a surprise in the sense that, no word of it had leaked out. But it's not a surprise in that it's sort of classic Buffett. I sort of imagine him as a cobra sort of waiting to strike until the very perfect moment where he can maximize the amount of money he can make, because he's got market-moving capability, as we all know, and we saw that this morning. Just the fact that he's making this investment sent Bank of America's stock soaring, in a market that's down. He made at the start anyway something like $700 million just on the warrants that he bought and that were suddenly in the money. So it must be nice to be Warren Buffett and be able to do this. It's a huge vote of confidence, which I would add to John's commentary. It's a huge vote of confidence for Brian Moynihan, who needed a shot of confidence.
It is certainly, as some say, he's the good housekeeping seal of approval, right? And that's certainly what he seemed to be for Goldman Sachs when they needed some support as well. But do you think that this $5 billion purchase of preferred shares puts to rest the concerns about the level of capital and concerns about perhaps capital raises going forward?
No, I don't think it does, Margaret. Just like the $5 billion that he invested in Goldman Sachs in September of 2008 didn't put to rest their concerns about more capital. Right. Let's not forget, a day or so after Warren Buffett made that investment, Goldman was able to go out to the public markets and raise $5.75 billion from the market. And of course, as we all know, they took another $10 billion during October of 2008 as part of the TARP program. This might enable Bank of America to raise capital in the market at more attractive price than it would have, 2 days ago. And it might be just the thing they need to do. I suspect they might use this as a marketing opportunity and raise more capital.
That'll be interesting to see. I know Dick BofA on the show earlier this week saying he wasn't convinced a capital raise was needed, but those rumors have persisted, and we're going to continue to cover that story. Thank you so much for calling in from your vacation, Bill. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Margaret.